Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over s. So number 1 divided by this one, so we have s, and this one they go to positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.